Hey guys, today I'm going to show you the best method to getting GTA 5 money as a solo player. Alright, so it's pretty easy and it's not really that complicated, so don't worry if you're like new to the game and stuff. So what we're gonna have to do first is the whole best way to make money is by buying getting source vehicles. So what you have to do, you have to click money services on the web and go to foreclosures. Sorry, not foreclosures. You have to go to Dynasty 8 Executive, enter site, and then you want to buy one of these. So this one, I got the cheapest one, and it looks like it's like there's some like deals on on sale and stuff. And you also might be able to get this up for free if you buy like the criminal enterprise pack. So if you want to get that for free, not where you have to grind to get this, then you could just do that. And then what you do is that you have to go there, which is right here, and then you have to get source vehicle. So source vehicle, it's the fastest way to get money, as you can get 80k per vehicle that you sell, and it only takes a couple easy steps. All you have to do is steal it from wherever they tell you, your assistant, and then after that you just have to sell it. And yeah, and in order to be able to buy this, like the best way I think is by doing some different missions, like the Simon missions. You could do different things like uh over here we have like stuff over here. There's like a bunch of different stuff that you could do around just to get money, or maybe you can even do races if you want. So yeah, that's like the best way to get money, and especially now because GTA gives you a 1 million per month by just logging in, so you'll easily be able to get the money to buy it. And yeah, so after you do that, like, and get a um couple $1 million off it and stuff, which is really not that hard, guys. I made over like 20 million so far, as I'm gonna go here right now. So after that, you want to go and buy a clubhouse, and in order to do that, you have to go to the web, and then you have to go to foreclosures, and then you have to go to here, like this. I got the clubhouse right here, and it's currently on sale right now, as you can see, so it's really not that bad. So in order to get this, you have to do like 3 cars, which just takes like what, 30 minutes maybe to get that money, so don't worry, it's easy. So you have to get a clubhouse, and yeah, so first I'm gonna go ahead and go towards the CEO office right now so I could explain more on how it works and stuff. And yeah, so out of all the things, like, this is definitely the easiest way to get money, and like, don't, like, I know it's really hard right now in the game to like not just want to go and full out and go buy out all these like random cars and stuff, but trust me guys, like, you guys should just get like a cheap car that's like that looks pretty nice. Like this one is only like 700k, I think I got on sale, so you should just get a cheap car and just stick with it. And the car I recommend the most is the Kuruma Armored. I'll show you guys that right here. It's somewhere here. And look, see, I got the criminal starter pack, so you also get all these free cars and stuff, so you guys don't have to be worrying about like being able to afford it and stuff. It's really easy now to get it, so you guys should be able to do this in no time and get the money to buy this. All right, let's go. Uh, right now this is my second account, which I only have a little bit of cash right now. So I just wanted to explain it to you guys to show you guys how it works and stuff. So yeah, so you can get to Buzz office, enter your office. Alright, so here, this is mine. I haven't named it for a reason, but this is your assistant.
Anything you
And
need,
a
boss.
quick tip while I'm here is that you
Oh,
can ask
hi.
her for snacks
So long.
for free,
How can I help you?
and she gives you unlimited
Just
amount
let me
of
know what you need.
snacks for free until
When
you
you
get the
finish
max.
what you've got, I'll
So
give you
whenever
some
you're
more.
shooting and stuff in a fight and stuff, and you don't have like
Have a
you're
good
about to
day.
die, what you could do is you could go to your interaction menu and then go to inventory snacks, and then you could just gain HP off and health off eating these snacks, so they could actually really help you in the long run. Alright, so in order to source a vehicle, you have to go right here to this office. You have to sit down. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, here, sorry. I guess you have to, sometimes it doesn't let you do it, and sometimes it does. So what we have to do is you have to hold the interaction menu to the then go scroll down to secure serve, and then click register. That's where you can start all your work. So it's pretty easy to do. Alright, now that we got in here, ooh, I did maybe I didn't click it. Okay, yeah, it should work now.
Okay, you logged on?
Now what you're gonna do,
The
vehicle
homepage
cargo.
should be showing you 3 options.
And
Special
yeah,
cargo,
so I made
vehicle
$0, it says
cargo,
right here,
and
but it's pretty
special
easy.
vehicle work.
All you have to
Special
do
cargo has
is
been
click
up and
source
running for some
vehicle right
time.
here.
You buy a warehouse, then purchase illicit
So in
goods you
order to
sell
buy
on
a
for
warehouse, this
profit.
is the warehouse map.
Vehicle
This
cargo is
one's the
their new
cheapest, called a
offering.
Mesa
You
vehicle
purchase a
warehouse.
vehicle
That's the
warehouse,
cheapest one
then
and
Secure
what I
Serve puts
recommend
you
to get,
onto
because all
different
these
cars
are
in the
very
area to source.
pricey, even
Once
though
you've sourced
it
the cars,
gives you the same
you
amount of
warehouse
vehicles
them and sell them
to
onto
hold.
a highly vetted customer base when you
Alright, so
want
what
to.
you do is you click
Special
vehicle
vehicle
cargo and
works
then you
a
click
little
source
different.
vehicle.
These are complex operations
Sorry,
Secure
she's
Serve had
talking.
planned and prepared for clients using state-of-the-art customized vehicles. They trust only their best performers with these tasks, so we'll need to make some headway with vehicle cargo before taking this on.
So what you have to do is click source vehicle, and then you have to go to your warehouse, and then you have to go in there and sell it. And yeah, so it's pretty easy to do, not really that complicated. And yeah, I just want to say some quick tips to that. Don't buy the facility, and don't buy the uh don't buy the facility, don't buy the townhouse. Oh yeah, here. Also, sorry to mention, I forgot to mention, if you wanna, good way to make money is by going into casino and doing your daily spin once a day, and you can get up to 50K per day, and you can even get like vehicle and different prizes and rewards, which I recommend. And yeah, so do not get a facility, don't get a penthouse, just those stuff are a waste. And if you ever heard of the nightclub, guys, like, don't, it's not worth it. Sorry, it's not worth to get until you buy a clubhouse and you buy different businesses in the game, like different like forged documents and stuff like that. Just buying those businesses in order to first get that money, and then it's worth it to get the nightclub. So yeah. So I hope this video was good for you guys and you guys can understand it now. And yeah, please leave a like and drop a comment if you have any more questions.